Hey everyone, I'm going to share a hunt with you, and I can tell you that out of all the hunts I've ever been on, the hunt I had on this day with my mother will forever be the most memorable hunt I have ever had. We work our way to our favorite spot. We call it the hot seat, also known as a redneck box blind. Hello, deer hunters. Here we are. This is Old Deer Guide here. I have my special guest with me, my mom. We are on a deer hunt here. It is so today we always talk about the essentials of deer hunting, and Mom, for good luck, could I get a kiss, maybe? Oh, perfect. So that's gonna get us started off right. Something that everyone else uses. Mom, are you comfortable? I just want to check here. Okay.
My shoes off?
Got your shoes off? All right. Okay. Well, it's important to be comfortable. Something else that everyone uses is deer scent, and you want to have a good deer scent. And we're a little more particular than most. Some people like to use urine, and we prefer the scent of
jerky.
Deer jerky. So one thing that makes this deer scent superior to all others is that this jerky seasoned with a special blend of pepper and some super secret seasonings. So that's why we like to use it while we're in the deer blind. Yeah, so thanks. I'll have a piece of that myself. So it's important to have all the essentials, a good deer scent, to be comfortable.
See what you mean, Dad?
Part of the hunting essentials is scratch off lottery tickets.
And when Mama buys, that's what you do. Okay, so pick some.
And then an old Smoky. You got a drink cup there.
Oh yeah.
It's good to go there. All right, feel pretty comfortable then?
Yep.
All right. And what's the strategy? Do you just check for deer between every scratch, or?
Yeah. I just look around. I'm okay. I won't get excited if I see one. I'll just slowly take care.
All right.
It's not gonna run away.
All right. We already scratched off our lottery tickets.
Yep. We've had a couple winners.
So we won on a couple of those. Now we're gonna shoot a deer. Is that where you need it?
Yeah, that's good.
No, it needs a deer to show up.
Yeah, well, it won't come yet.
Well, it might.
Maybe.
So we talked about the essentials of and the importance of being comfortable. So key one is to make sure you get your boots off in the stand. You're in a good place to rest your feet, huh, Ma?
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
What else we have?
Scratching lottery tickets was over, and it was time to focus on a deer that was making its approach. As the deer was getting closer, I took the time to get Mom adjusted and get her gun set up on the rest. This deer did exactly what we needed it to. It worked into the food plot and ate turnips for a while Mom was able to get adjusted. Can you see him in her skull?
It's kind of blurry though. Right there.
He's kind of broadside right there. Move.
No. Yeah, he's broadside right now.
You feel comfortable? You got the crosshairs on the shoulder.
Yeah.
Trying to shoot you really well. Just play it in, just keep beating. You got the crosshairs on him.
Yeah, but I don't like the shot.
Mom was patient, and she decided she didn't like the angle of the shot. So we discussed our options. As we were talking, the deer turned and started to walk away from us. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Put the crosshairs on his shoulder and squeeze real slow. Rocked him. Got him. Keep your scope on him. She smoked him. She smoked him, folks. Hey, Mom. He's not moving. He's done. Nice
You
shot.
think I was gonna miss?
No.
If he runs away, I'm done.
That's awesome. Good job.
He sure did fall down,
Proud
didn't
of
he?
you.
He just went right down.
My mother had been hunting many years, and this was the first time I was able to get her to come and hunt with me. And to say it was a success is an understatement. It is by far the fondest memory I will ever have during a hunt, and I will never forget the day we spent together.